Hi, this is Percy Alvarado, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you blocks in Moodle 2.6 for the Week 4 task for the Moodle MOOC 4 Moodle for Managers course. What are blocks in a Moodle course? Blocks are items, rectangular, which may be added to the left or right or center column of any page in Moodle. They may also be added to the center of the My Home, My Moodle page. You can make the blocks left in the middle of the page as well. The blocks are of different types and help us manage and complement our teaching task within a course. Any block can be made sticky so that it appears in all the context below, such as throughout a course or a particular activity. Blocks can be placed on the side of the screen, if your theme supports it, by the dog icons, as you see. If a responsive theme, such as clean, is used, blocks will be accessible from the bottom of smaller screens below the main content. By default, when you set up a Moodle site, you can see these elements. First of all, we have the breadcrumbs menu, then the edit button, the navigation block, the administration block, the course block, welcome section, and the course block education materials, activities and resources section. Then the search block, the events block, and the activity block. In the case of the course, in this case, we have this tab, Community Practice Area tab of the course for managers, and we have these elements. First, the side menu, the participant blocks, the navigation block, the administration block, breadcrumbs menu, edit button, community practice area tab, community practice area support forum, the progress checkbox, the logged user area, the last news block, and the online user block. In this moment we have deactivated the edit button, but when we want to have the manager right, we have to click on it. When we click on the edit button, we have here in our community practice area tab the edit button in red activated as a manager. Also, we have the forum activity for edition and the add activity resource link, and also appear an add block to add different kind of blocks. We are going to show how can be used this block. Where first of all, when we are here in the community practice area, we have to click on the edit button, the green edit button that change to a red button color. We pass from a teacher to a manager rights. And well, what can we do here? Many things. For example, if you want, you can change the disposition of the block. I want to put the navigation block in the administration area. So I drag and drop, and voila, there is change it. Then, if I want, I can highlight this topic as a current topic and activate it. Also, I can hide the topic if I want. Depends in what do you want to use this section. Also, I can edit the summary of the section, this text. I can change the activity or resources name. Also, I can edit the settings of this activity or resource. I can add an activity or resource like manager. Pressing that an activity or resource link. For example, I'm going to create a chat. I press the chat button and press the add button. I fill in the name of this chat room. The name of the chat is a chat test. In description, this is a chat test. And tick the checkbox. Display description and course. All the other configuration will leave as they are because I don't want to change anything. And then press the save and return to course button. And here we have the chat. So the student or the teacher can click here and begin to chat with his students or pairs. For example, hello. Hello. And this is how can we add activities and resources like manager on the community practice area. Then also we have here the add a block that enables to add different kind of blocks. Here is the list of the different kind of blocks we can add. We have to study each one. For example, I'm going to make an HTML block. I select this, and then it's created, and I press the configuration, the configure block option, and fill a name of the block. For example, I fill this title Moodle 2.6, and in the content I can fill, for example, this block shows the new features of this version, this Moodle version. Okay, and if I want, I can edit the text using the text editor. Bold, I can put the bold. I can put, if I want, emoticon. I can put, if I want, an image. I fill the image description, and I press the insert button. Also, I can insert media like a YouTube video. About Moodle. 2.6. I'm searching YouTube, and here a video. I select this video, and then I insert the video. Then I save changes, and I create a HTML block with text, emoticons, image, and a video. Okay, I'm going to create other block. In this case, for example, a search forums block. I only have to select to create it. It's created, and for example, I'm going to fill in the text box a topic. For example, the initial of the community practice area, and press go. And in this case, I search one result that is in a forum, and this is a form to create blogs in the community practice area. Now I'm going to talk about the main blogs in this community practice area that are administration block and navigation block. With a navigation block, I can navigate from the site to see the site blog, the site badges, the notes, the tags, the calendar. Also, I can navigate to my profile. I can navigate to the current course I in, and also I can navigate through the courses I sign in. And with the navigation, with the administration block, I can configure all about the course. If I press this turn editing on, it's the same as I press this button to activate or deactivate the edition of this community practice area. I can edit settings, I can edit the course completions, I can see the users, the enrolled users, the enrollment methods, the group, the permissions. I can see the report, the logs, the activity report, the course participation, the activity completion. I can see batch. I can make a backup or restore a file, import, publish, reset, and all the functions to manage this course. And that's all about blocks in Moodle 2.6. Bye.